Tired of your kids being too bored to go outside and play? Need some fun ideas for activities this spring and summer? Gemini can help. In this quick tip, we'll use Gemini to generate some fun outdoor kids activities. You could start by just asking Gemini for ideas. Sometimes it comes up with good suggestions on its own. I'd like to plan a scavenger hunt in our yard. I can use canvas mode to make it easy to remove or change items I'm not as interested in and to easily export it to docs. I'll make sure I describe the children's age, how long I want them to spend, where I live, and what kind of yard or natural elements are available. I can include some items that I know can be found in my yard, and even have Gemini write up some facts and insights about them. Now I can iterate, give feedback, and make adjustments. In the end, we have a fun, educational experience just outside our doors. Maybe you are looking for new ways to use your existing toys and games. Try taking a picture of the items available and asking Gemini for insights. Have it generate ideas or create new games with appropriate rules. See what it comes up with, make suggestions, or ask for more ideas. Have fun out there. We'll see you next time.